Thanks to OsteoStrong, the bone density in my spine is up 14%. I have never seen results like that.
My hip pain is finally gone thanks to OsteoStrong.
After only 14 months of OsteoStrong, my hip bone density has improved by 10.9%.
Hello, I am Cindy, and looking back here, you can see an increase in my DEXA scores over 19 months. I had osteopenia in 4 places of my hips. We went up 11% in one area, 46% in another, 25%, and then 44%.
My hips have had a 1 to 2% increase in density thanks to OsteoStrong.
I couldn't walk upstairs because of hip pain.
I have osteoporosis.
I have a lot of problems with my entire body, my spine, my hips, etc.
I was already scheduled for surgery. I heard about OsteoStrong, totally changed my life. I have my life back. No surgery, and it's wonderful. I am so happy. I'm able to go on walks with my husband.
I recommend it to all my friends. I got my sister coming here because when I leave here, I'm more relaxed and I feel better.
When I heard about this program, I wanted to increase my bone density, and that is exactly what it's doing.
I have increased my ability to go even further than what they have proven increases your bone density, which is 2.5 times your body weight. I'm lifting over 1,000 pounds, so I know it's helping me.
So I have a family history of osteoporosis, so it was important to me to take care of this, even at an early age.
Years ago was low, and my doctor gave me a medication that I took for a couple of years. It was a biphosphonate. I did not know it was dangerous to my body until I went for some oral surgery, and he's like, oh no, I can't do that because you're on this biphosphonate drug. So I immediately stopped taking it, and then I had another bone density in 2018. I was osteopenia. In 2020, I went to osteoporosis in my hips. So I started doing OsteoStrong right after that, and my next bone density I had improved by 10.9% in my hips. So I was very happy, and my doctor is very encouraged, and I'm not taking any other medicines other than vitamins and minerals.
Getting older doesn't equal getting weaker.
Stay strong with OsteoStrong.